Hi, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. What if I told you that 95% of traders just follow the price like a sheep without any plan of action? And it's only 5% of the traders who are actually able to plan their trade, predict the price movement as if they have a crystal ball in their hand. Why are they able to do that? Give me a few minutes into this video and I am going to tell you a very powerful trading strategy which is called as the RSI Divergence trading strategy. So what are the different aspects that I'm going to cover today while I'm discussing RSI Divergence with you? I'll be discussing, as a trader, what kind of problems you are facing while entering a trade. I will also speak about different kind of divergence that are there in the markets. I will also discuss with you why RSI Bullish Classic Divergence is one of the best way to enter into a trade. I will show you a step-by-step approach how you are going to enter using RSI Divergence into a trade. At the same time, I will show you some examples how RSI Divergence can be used in any financial instrument. I will show you an example using Nifty 50. And by the end of this video, you will understand why you are going to have an unfair advantage over the 95% of the traders. And if you practice this strategy, how you can move from the 95% to the 5% of traders. Let's understand the first point. What are the problems that a trader face while they're trading? Most of the trader, they enter the trend very late. By the time they are entered the trend has moved almost 70%. They really do not get much profit. So how do we handle this situation? Next would be most of the indicators that you use, like say moving averages or any other indicator that you're using is basically a lagging indicator. A lagging indicator means the price has already made its move and then the indicator shows later on that the price has moved in a particular direction. And then as a trader, you want to fight to get into a trend which is already ending. And that's why you end up in the 95% of the traders. What if there was a crystal ball in your hand that would tell you that yes, the strength of the trend is getting over and this is an opportunity to get into a trade in the opposite direction? Won't it be great? So the solution to this is the RSI Divergence trading strategy. But before we get into the RSI Divergence trading strategy, I would like to tell you that there are 4 types of divergence. The first one is called as the Bullish Classic Divergence. This price setup you are going to see at the bottom of the chart. The second would be Bearish Classic Divergence. This price setup you are going to see at the top of the chart. The other 2 are trending indicators, which we call as Hidden Divergence. So we have a Bullish Hidden Divergence, which you are going to find when the price is in the uptrend. And then there is a Bearish Hidden Divergence, which you are going to see when the price is in the downtrend. So there are 4 divergences. But what are we going to discuss today? Here we are going to discuss how you are going to enter into a Bullish Classic Divergence. And I'm going to explain to you step by step how you can enter. And at the end of the video, you will understand why RSI Classic Divergence is one of the best indicators for a trader, for intraday, for scalping, for swing trading, and even for long-term trading. This is one of the best indicators. If you master it, you're going to be a successful trader. While looking at RSI Bullish Classic Divergence, one most important thing is this price movement should happen close to a previous support or a previous resistance. This is very important, because if it is happening at a previous support or a previous resistance zone, it's the first indication that the price has a probability to move in the opposite direction from here. So the first rule is you have to look at the structure. Once you look at the structure, now you have to understand what are the other things that you have to see. Now to explain this entire concept, I'm going to use a Euro USD chart. This is basically a daily chart of Euro USD. Now you can clearly see on the chart that somewhere close to November and December 2024, you can see that the price is consistently coming down. But the RSI, which is the Relative Strength Index, is making higher lows. This clearly indicates that the strength in the trend is getting over. but the price is still continuing to go down. This shows that there are traders who still want to enter this trend in the last moment. But here is where the catch is. The institutional buyers have already started making their positions in the buy direction. That is the reason you can see that the strength in the RSI towards the sell side has got reduced. And you can see that the RSI is making higher lows. Now, just when you see such a divergence, this is not your entry point. This is just your indication that yes, the price is going to move in a bullish direction from here. But you still have to wait for something which we call as chart pattern and candlestick pattern. So to look at a chart pattern and a candlestick pattern, we have to go to a lower time frame. So let us go to a 4-hour time frame. We should not miss this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line over here. So like you can see, I have drawn a line over here so that when I go to a lower time frame, I do not miss out. Now we have gone into a lower time frame, which is a 4-hour chart. Now in the 4-hour chart, you know what is your lowest point, which is over here. Then you wait for it to create your resistance, which is over here. Then the price comes down and then breaks the resistance. And then you can see then the price comes back again to test the resistance. Now it has become a new support. Once the price reaches this support, you're going to enter into a trade over here with your stop loss below the previous low. As you can see, I've drawn a red line over here. But unfortunately, you can see that this trade went into a loss because somewhere close to the end of January, there was a big gap down. And because of that gap down, our stop loss got hit. But there is nothing to worry. You still know that the buyers have started buying. There is weakness in the RSI. The RSI have started making higher lows in the 1-day chart. So you have to look for another opportunity. You see the second opportunity gets created over here. The price goes up, creates a resistance, comes down. Then the price goes up, breaks the resistance, creates a new high, and then comes back to test the resistance. Now it has become a new support over here. This is where you're going to enter with your stop loss below the previous low. Like you can see, there is a red line that is drawn. Now as a new trader, you have to enter the trade with a risk to reward of 1:2. Do not take higher risk initially. So you infuse 0.5% of your equity. You can see that we have put a risk to reward of 1:2. In the chart, you can see how quickly the price went up and hit your take profit. But now just imagine you've been practicing this strategy for months and years. Then you do not have to go for a risk to reward of 1:2 because RSI divergence strategy, you're catching the trend at the very, very early stage. So this gives you an opportunity to keep your risk to reward of 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. Now, if you would trade the same setup in a professional way, just have a look how much you could have earned. When the price kept going up and then came back down, you just put your fresh stop loss below the previous low and let the price go up. And in this example, you can see that the price has given you a profit of almost 1:6 times. And the price is still continuing to go up. But I think 1:6 risk to reward is a great risk to reward ratio. You can exit the trade if you want or continue in this trade because sometimes the trend really keeps going and it gives you huge profits. Now, classic RSI bullish divergence can be used in any kind of financial instrument. It can be used in stocks. It can be used in indices. It can be used in currency. It can be used in commodity. It can be used in crypto. It can be used anywhere. Just to prove my point, I'm going to show you another example on Nifty 50. Just have a look at this. If you would identify this divergence, look at the kind of profit you would make. So in this chart, you can see there are two classic divergences. One somewhere close to 2022 July, and we caught the price at approximately 15,651. And you can see currently the price is trading at 26,045 on this chart. And there is a second one which has been created somewhere in 2025, say March, and you can see the price has continued going up that you caught around 22,502. So as I said, classic RSI bullish divergence is one of the best indicators that you can use as a trader. Because this strategy is not a lagging indicator strategy. This strategy is a leading indicator strategy. Yes, it's a leading indicator strategy, not like a moving average. But yes, to master this strategy, you need to have patience. You need to have discipline. You need to have persistence. And finally, you need to manage your risk while entering into a trade. Because without all these things, there is no use of understanding this RSI Classic Bullish Divergence. You need to practice it. Now remember, I always say that trading is a game of probability. Even with all these things put together, sometimes the RSI Classic Divergence can hit stop loss also. In our example also there was a stop loss, but the second trade gave us a huge profit. But many times it might give you a couple of losses, maybe 3 times losses. So what's important? Managing your risk is very, very important. Now let me give you a small assignment. If you really want to master this RSI Classic Bullish Divergence, for the next 90 days, open up whichever financial instrument you love, at least 10 to 15 of them. Try to identify the RSI Classic Bullish Divergence. Draw your lines and don't trade. Just observe them, journal them, and see how much of them are giving you profits. If you do this for 90 days, I assure you that this is going to develop your patience, your discipline, and your strategy. And then when you're ready, you can enter the trades with risk management and become a very, very successful trader. Remember, RSI divergence strategy is not just a trading strategy. It is the way of looking at the price even before the price actually starts making its move. These are some of the things that make a trader very, very special. So if you really want to be among the top 5% of traders, then you need to master this strategy. So friends, I hope you've understood how you can master RSI divergence strategy. And if you love the way I've explained, kindly like this video. And if you really think you learned something new and you want some other people to also learn, kindly share this video. So like you, many others can understand and learn trading the right way and improve their trading skills. And friends, if you want to leave a comment, please do leave a comment. I do read them. And if I think a reply is needed, I do reply to them also. Friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. Every time I see a new subscriber, it really motivates me to create more such videos for you. And friends, before I conclude this video, I just want to reiterate the golden words. Keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.